Alright, today we are going to do tutorial on chapter 2, Psychrometric of air conditioning process, and I take our first case here is heating and humidification. Okay, so this is the question. An air conditioning system, okay, is to take in outdoor air at 10 degrees Celsius and 30% relative humidity at a steady rate of 45 meter cube per minute. The room temperature and relative humidity of the conditioned room to be 25 degrees Celsius and 60%. So from the first statement, the outdoor condition, okay, 10 degrees Celsius and 30% relative humidity basically is your T1 and also relative humidity at state 1. So I write here so that you will not get you will not lose the track of this question. And the steady rate of 45 meter cube per minute, so this is your volume flow rate, because they are unit of volume, meter cube. So 45 meter cube per minute. The room temperature and relative humidity of the conditioned room to be 25 degrees Celsius and 60%. So we want to change this condition from the outdoor into the room condition, which is 25 degrees Celsius and also 60% relative humidity. So during this process, okay, we need to know what is the process involved to change this condition. So from the second statement here, in the heating section, so it already mentioned about heating process. The outdoor air is first heated to 22 degrees Celsius. Okay, so before it goes to here 25 degrees Celsius, basically we have another section here. Okay, so this should be your T2 equal 22 degrees Celsius, and then it goes to 25 degrees Celsius, humidified by the injection of hot steam. So from T1 into T2 is simple heating, okay, and then from 22 to 25 is the humidification. Okay, by the injection of hot steam. This hot steam basically is the vapor at saturated state, okay, because this is a hot steam. So if we want to know the parameter of this steam, we should refer to saturated vapor condition. Okay, so I would label the last temperature as T3 equal 25 degrees Celsius, and the last relative humidity should be P3, 60%. Okay, and there are two processes involved, which is heating and humidification. So that is about the first and also second statement. Alright, so the last statement is said that assuming the entire process takes place at a pressure of 1 atm. So all of this process remain at 1 atm. It means that we can use two methods to solve this. First is using the analytical or calculation process, and the second one we could use the psychrometric chart inside the textbook of our reference. So in this case, I would show you how to use psychrometric chart method, because this is more simple and fast.